Alright everybody, I apologize for the amount of noise in here, but as you can see, we've started to mock up the 4-inch from the collector to the turbo. Right now we've got this random odd shaped piece. So what I ended up having to do is I had to measure across the bottom from right here, which ended up being just shy of a 3/6, right? As I was, just shy of 3/4 inch. Up at the top was 1 3/16 at the widest point. I had one more pie cut left over, so what I ended up doing is I came over here to the last pie cut that I've already done, and the bottom was the right size, but the top was a little bit too wide. I didn't quite need a 15-degree transition there. So as you can see, I'm going to keep that part, and I'm going to cut this by hand with a grinder and a cutoff wheel. This eventually will make its way into there. And as you can see, those lines are going to line up pretty nice. Once I have that in there, I'll make sure everything is good and taped up. I'll start getting a few tacks on there, and I'll go ahead, get it pulled out. And then the final set will be when I pull this entire exhaust off again, and I will get a final weld out. Again, I won't do any of the solid welding until I've tacked it up and fit it up. It sucks to have to remove these V-bands over and over, but you know, I'd rather do that than have a screwed up weld that you have to cut out. Now notice I still have this here brace piece. I could probably get rid of that right now. I'll wait until the very end, cut it off, clean it up, make it nice and pretty. But for now, again, a little bit of arts and crafts, and you know, try and fit goes a long way. All right.